In this video, we will discuss few questions regarding radioactivity. First, we'll compare the radiations alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha particles are similar to helium nuclei, which is He242+. In the symbol of beta, -1 indicates the charge and 0 indicates the mass. Beta particles are considered as electron-like particles. In the symbol of gamma particle also, 0 on the bottom indicates the charge and 0 on the top indicates the mass. Gamma particle is an electromagnetic radiation with no mass and no charge. The mass of alpha particle is 4 AMU. The mass of beta particle is 1/1840, which is 0 AMU. The mass of gamma particle is 0 AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Alpha particle is positively charged, beta particle is negatively charged, and gamma particle has no charge. Penetration ability of alpha particle is at lowest point. Penetration ability of beta particle is moderate. Penetration ability of gamma particle is the highest. If the penetration ability of alpha particle is 1, penetration ability of beta particle is 10 to the power 2 times alpha, and penetration ability of gamma particle is 10 to the power 5 times alpha. Ionization ability of alpha particles is very high, and that of beta particles is moderate. Ionization ability of gamma rays is very low. If the value of it in gamma rays is 1, the value of beta particles is 10 to the power 2 times that of gamma, and the value of alpha particles is 10 to the power 5 times that of gamma. Alpha particle is stopped by a thin paper, and the beta particle is stopped by a thin metal foil, and the gamma particle is stopped by a thick lead block or a concrete. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. The first one, ultraviolet radiation is used to read security symbols in currency notes. The statement is true. The second one, the wavelength of gamma rays are higher than the visible radiation. This statement is false. The third one, microwaves are used for cancer treatments. This statement is false. The fourth one, all electromagnetic radiation moves through a vacuum at a similar velocity. This statement is true. Fifth statement, route of alpha particles is not changed by magnetic fields. It is false. Sixth statement, alpha particles move in light velocity. False. Seventh one, gamma rays are diffracted by thin gold foils. This statement is correct. 8. Alpha particles gain electrons to form helium molecules. This statement is false. They gain electrons to form helium atoms. Ninth statement, penetration power of alpha particles is small. This statement is true. Number 10, ionization power of alpha particles is weak. It is false. 11, alpha particles get attracted towards North Pole in magnetic field. False. 12, the route of alpha particles is not changed by magnetic field. False. 13, penetration of alpha particles is very high. False. 14, penetration power of alpha is greater than beta. False. 15, mass of alpha particle is greater than mass of beta particle. It is correct. 16, beta rays attract towards North Pole under very strong magnetic field. The statement is false. 17, beta rays attract towards South Pole under very strong magnetic field. False. 18, alpha rays are repelled from positively charged plate in electric field. This statement is correct. 19, gamma rays are attracted towards negative plate in an electric field. This statement is false. 20, route of alpha rays is changed by magnetic fields. It is correct. 21, route of beta rays is changed by electric field. Correct. 22, ionization power of gamma rays is very high. Incorrect. 23. Penetration power of alpha rays is very high. Incorrect. 24. The penetration power of beta rays is very high. Incorrect. 25. Beta rays are electrons traveling in high velocity. It is incorrect. Beta rays are electron-like particles, not electrons. 26. Gamma rays move in a 95% closer velocity to light. Incorrect. Let's understand this statement later in this video. 27. The ionization power of gamma rays is very high. Incorrect. 28. The penetration power of gamma rays is very high. Correct. 29. The roots of gamma ray are not affected by the magnetic field. Correct. 30. Alpha rays and cathode rays are not identical. Correct. Now let's move to the next question. Explain the following statements. Statement 1. Gamma rays move 99% velocity to light velocity. This statement is false. Gamma rays are electromagnetic radiations. Therefore, they move in light velocity, which is 100% velocity to light velocity. Second statement, the root of alpha rays is changed by magnetic fields. True. Any charged particle is deflected perpendicularly out or in whenever the charged particle passes through magnetic field. Third statement, penetrating power of alpha rays is more than beta rays. This statement is false. Mass of alpha ray is greater than beta ray. Therefore, penetration power of beta ray is greater than alpha ray. Fourth statement, velocity of alpha rays is more than the velocity of X-rays. This statement is false. X-ray is electromagnetic radiation. Therefore, they move in light velocity. But alpha rays can never move in light velocity as they are particles. Fifth statement, both alpha rays and cathode rays are protons. This statement is false.